Show you how to break down an AK, for those of you who may not know how. First of all, clear your weapon. You can literally do this all one-handed. Take the top cover off. This little button here comes off. Set that aside. Spring, same dealio. Push it forward. Pull her out. Like so. Then your bolt comes back all the way back. There's little ridges here, as you can see, on each side. That's where the bolt comes back to pop out. Hear the click. Comes out. Firing pin and all that's in there. Don't know how to pull that apart, so I'm not going to achieve an attempt. I got a buddy of mine that does that part for me. To put it back together, you can clean your gas chamber, all that fun stuff here. Something else, like with mine, is messed up, but with your push rod, see how it moves? It literally moves. That's not good. It'll fail. Now, putting your gas rod back in, you can't just pop it in. I bring it to there, back before there, seat it down, pull it back, you'll hear it click in. Voila, just like that. I see a lot of people have issues with that. Put your spring back in. Now there's a little groove right here that's grooved as well. Use that there. Push it forward. Oh, not too far forward. And slide it in your groove. Should have play to it. Something else I see a lot of people have issues with is the cover. Very simple. Took me a while to figure it out. But the main issue that people have is not seating it home all the way and trying to put it down. Put that part in first. I always bring it up just because I'm a flooring guy. That's how I do laminate. Then, doing this one-handed. You can do it all one-handed. Now it's going to give me a problem because I had to talk shit. Put it back down, just like so. Test your firearm. Proper work. Ready to rock and roll. Hope this helped a little bit with new AK buyers.